Hello everyone. The former public protector Thuli Madonsela has weighed in on the Thabo Bester prison escape saga after learning the body used to allow his getaway was that of Katlego Mpolo's son. Mpolo's heartbreaking tweet was posted after he learned his son's body was set alight to help Bester escape. He took it to his social media platform and said the body that was burnt by Thabo Bester in prison was that of my son. Our own government is failing us. I am broken. Thuli Madonsela responded in his tweet and said, heartfelt condolences to you and the family, sir. I suggest you immediately sue G4S, Bester and Makudumane for millions in civil proceedings. It will bring justice faster and the burden of proof is lower. While there is a strong case for the theory that Thabo Bester was corruptly released and did not escape, there's adequate evidence to prove negligence which is sufficient for a delictual claim. This does not mean abandoning criminal charges. #justice for Katlego. This comes after police finally identified the charred body found in cell 35 at the Mangaung Correctional Center last year. That was initially thought to be that of Bester and is now been confirmed to be Katlego's body. He lived with his grandmother in Bloemfontein. Katlego had 2 babies, a baby boy and a baby girl, and her father confirmed that he disappeared in March last year. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.